cannot even put on all these signboards. People are putting on the road. They are paying. So you deriving government from getting that revenue is.
Hello, beautiful viewers. It's your favorite channel, Gambia this week. It's another episode of Operation Clear the Route. Today we'll be moving to Canifing, from there to Pipeline. Please like and share for more interesting videos from Gambia this week.
All right, very well. This goes down there. Are they yours?
The guy, yes. This Omar, come please. Yes, it's for Omar.
Omar.
Yes.
It should not be here, right?
Okay, sir. Omar,
Let him find a place
please.
here to sell it.
Yeah, move this one from here, please.
This one should not be here. This one for us to have an idea. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
No
That's
problem.
the only thing. And don't allow anybody to sell in front of you. I know everything is yours, everything is inside.
Thank you very much.
Omar and others, let them find a place.
So this one I should
bring
leave
it
it
down.
also.
Bring it down. All right?
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
No
Thank you.
problem. Thank you for.
This thing down. Let's pull this thing down. It is obstructing here. And then you help to check whether this one can be moved, can be moved down. Yes. Where is the other hammer? Where is the other hammer? Goya.
Yes. No more because you will not come and tell that man. You come and strong.
Goya.
Come and
Yes. Okay, whenever he comes, tell him this one, let him know to put this thing there, alright? This car cannot go inside. I think this car doesn't sit in here. No. One, two, one.
Hey,
Morning. Okay, leave it there.
Why you man had in life? Magina ko kay ñu gis ko ni.
From now, you will not see any.
Lolu ba man had in
No,
life.
don't worry.
Why liggéey bu nu mo demee ni.
It will not happen.
Wallahi azim, man kenn du ma mere in life.
Yeah, I know.
Xoolal fii, wala ñu ñëw. Génne naa everything.
I know. You guys are doing wonderful. I know that.
Man dama lay dem woo fii for the Gambia.
I know.
Dama lay dem kuy jël foo amee chef.
I know.
I'm part of the chef association.
Yes. All is for our country.
Dama ne soo xoolee man lu ma am fii si staff amul benn Gambien bu ko am ku ko xam ne suma age la like this koo xam ne nga ne yaa ngi fay more than 15 people now 2 years fu mu nekk nii moo resigné from Ozone ba léegi nii
Dafa gën a yokk rek.
baax na
Dafa gën a yokk rek.
incha allah dina am
Buñ gisaatee.
yaahu léegi su ñëwee da ngay foog nga dafa bon ci yow fekk lu lay gën la waaye yan na gën ci ñu
Yàlla ko yàlla yombal.
amiin allahumma
Ba pare business bi gën a dem ci kaw.
mooy woon dama employé yu su bëri jël yu su bëri train leen den after kios yi ñu tasaare leen si biir dëkk bi den jigéen yoo xam ne nii naar yi ñu ngi leen yu si biir dëkk bi ma try ma génnee loolu mooy suma projet mooy suma foundation waaye oma doole oma dara so no problem so I take God ma jël yàlla
You know what we're doing? We are discouraging people to squatter. Lu waay neex nga def ko si biir dëkk bi. So lépp loo xam ne danga ko war a def dafa war a.
gis nga say boobu la ngay complété le
waaw.
maa ngi am ñaari training ñetti training la woon ñu ngi right now jigéen moom ngi fële si kanam mu ngi indi fii gars yi kuy ma train leen man business bu ma def nii is for the Gambian mënoon naa jël suma xaalis mënoon naa jël effective ma kii ma ne suma yoon
da nga bëgg a sa réew rek da nga bëgg a sa bopp boo bëggee sa bopp foog nga bëgg a sa réew.
waaw wax dëgg
All right. So whatever you're doing is not waste. Yow yàlla moo teg loolu si sa kaw. You know, everyone's supposed to be, proud to be responsible. Yàlla bu la tegee put something on you. you know, come your ninga mel, you should be proud of yourself.
Of course,
It's
100%.
challenges.
100%.
Life in challenges. A lot of people just like you, what you doing, simple moon. They will be more than appreciated. Why need not? You know, hunger. Just do our little efforts. Grand correct no watch simple as that. Just for it. No, for what happened is, to be frank with you, is we are not saying is facade. What we are saying, the attachment is on the building, and whoever is here has to take that responsibility because our operation is not to discourage business. You know, then you look at it, you know, you know, address one and leave one. In we have everything has to take up. And if it is not taken up completely, meaning we ask all the stuff over there to close for the meantime unless you bring it up. One more necessary for your own interest, it's not going to take anything. So cut it up. Momsinye, what I'm for money, money dagali. And team, money and team came here, and this thing has to be off. And it's off.
We agree to that. We have a suggestion. I can take it on my phone.
Yes. Yes.
Instead of it,
No, we'll not demolish. That's why we're talking to you.
exactly.
We will not. You know,
tomorrow I'll try to
we will
get
not.
somebody else.
It's just like failure to do, then we come and do, and the way we do it is not going to do it. That's why we are working, you know, sub to sub or business to business to explain to people. Now, this one, we are giving you a time frame of within 24 hours to start doing something.
Okay.
To start doing something. We are not saying everything has to be up today. We are not saying that. But something needs to be done today. Start today. You know, so the team behind me, that's the monitoring team, will be coming after me. And when they come passing and saying nothing is being arranged, meaning zero compliance, and that is beyond me. All right. So we are just talking like family. This is Gambia nice in it. All what we are interested in, we'll bring it down. Please. All
So
right.
what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place with the landlord immediately.
Exactly.
Try to get somebody, a weatherman on him.
Yes, the weatherman.
Yeah, maybe latest by tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you. This attachment is ready. They're ready. The guys need to put down. You come here and verify where you want to do it.
Okay.
If it is possible, they will tell you it's possible on this location. If it is not possible, they will reject it and show you a better place where to put it.
Okay.
Now you are doing business and you are not paying tax.
KMC?
Now, I mean the signboard. You
Yeah.
are not paying tax for it.
Yeah.
And that is against our law. You have to pay cash for the signages on the road.
Okay.
So that is one thing that you violated our law. The second one is you remove this big generator and put it outside here. So it has no place here.
No, I'm going inside the compound.
I am telling you, it has been here for ages. You do things the way you want to do it. You don't even find out whether it's correct or it's not correct. That is the point. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. In as much as you do your business, you are earning money for your own personal gain. But the public, it should not be a hindrance of the public. You cannot put this, all these places and come and put this thing on the road here. It is not right. And you cannot even put on all these signboards people are putting on the road, they are paying. So you deriving government from getting that revenue